Hello neighbors, right now it's spring, and where else would home cooks go to get some inspiration for our next series of videos other than
Korean buffet.
Korean buffet? There's one that we went last year to show you the winter menu. We want to come back and see what's up. So come with us, we're really hungry. I think we rarely go to buffets. KT, that's like a telecom.
Oh, this is 식당. 초능력 식당.
Oh my god, that's so interesting. So basically this restaurant's theme is 1 second cost a penny. Actually, that's not right. 1.981 would be 1/10 of a penny, which would mean 1 minute equals 10 cents and 15 minutes equals $1.70. Huh. You know, 5G is coming. They're like,
It's already here. My coworker is using a 5G phone.
oh, okay. It's already here. I think they're doing that to promote it.
So are we going there today?
No. I'm not ready for that. I don't want to get indigestion. Yeah, let's get some food. You guys hungry? Let's go. Oh. What? 안 돼. Restaurants in Korea, they like switch out sometimes like within 6 months.
Look at your hair.
What?
It's like everywhere.
Is my anger showing?
We finally found it. 여기 있습니다. 계절밥상. Show us the menu, please.
And up first, we have some 돌솥밥, which just means rice served in a sizzling hot pot. And it's spring, so this one has shepherd's purse, also known as 냉이 in Korean.
You gotta have a ticket to have 돌솥밥.
they
And
don't-
what you do?
It's like
is-
lobster, huh? They
Yes.
don't want you to get too much.
Actually, we never showed this in our channel. This is 충무김밥, which is one of my favorite type of food. Yeah, this is the gold, basically.
We gotta make this once.
So the rice is plain, but you mix it with this 반찬s, and it's amazing. I'm interested to try. 국수 mixed with in a kimchi soup. Let's say kimchi. This is tofu. 청양고추, and then some green onions. 이건 뭘까요? 참기름. And our favorite, sesame seeds.
Topped off with that cold, refreshing, give you broth.
이렇게 됐어요.
Ooh, then we got 간된장 bibimbap. This is basically bibimbap, with your array of fresh spring vegetables. And we top it off, instead of that red bibimbap sauce, we're gonna put down a reduced 된장 sauce. Then looky, we got some fresh steamed scallops from Namhae.
Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my gosh. This is such a good food.
Then they grilled up some small octopus. It's called jukumi in Korean.
Do you like 쭈꾸미?
Then some pork, bulgogi, which they smothered with a gochujang-based sauce. Ow! 쌈장 닭구이. 쌈장으로.
I wanna eat it. And some garlic.
All you can eat samgyeopsal, a little samgyeopsal bar, pork belly.
With some kimchi. I don't have enough space. Oh my gosh. I'm a busy woman. 하나, 둘, 셋. So, I think wait, 이거 벗고 싶은데. 팔을 걷고요. So what you have to do with this 돌솥 비빔밥, 누룽지를 만들어야 되잖아요. So, 빨리빨리 해줘야 돼요. You gotta be quick because time is money. And then here we're gonna pour some water. Yeah, this bowl is already hot, so it's gonna kind of turn this into 누룽지 now. Do you remember I brought some 강된장? This is how I'm gonna mix it. 강된장이랑.
Make your own bibimbap.
맛있겠다. You mix it. Oh my gosh, it looks really good. Let me try the soup. 맛있어. 맛있다. So, to This was their seasonal menu. Garibi, Namhae. Scallops from the Namhae Sea, which is the south of Korea. There's no dipping sauce? 맛있다. You guys know the trick to eat a lot, right? You have to eat slow, so you can eat it for longer. Thinly sliced samgyeopsal, dip it in the Samseong sauce, and raw garlic. Wrap it up. And then the key thing is put it in one mouth. Sungmugimbap originated from a region in the south of Korea called Pongyang. This is the kind of like doshiraks that the wives used to pack for their husbands who go out fishing. So it's very compact. This is all you have, and this is very easy, right? This is just
a plain rice bowl.
And a piece of odeng and a piece of squid. And then you put it in one mouth, and it's gonna bring wonders.
Bring it home.
Brought so much more. Are you gonna be able to finish it?
Yeah, because someone was eating while I wasn't. Oh, I didn't try these chukumi. Wow, they have.
It's like a tortilla. So this is gimbuga. This is basically fried seaweed.
Let's get a little bit of tuna salad.
Wow.
The fish roll eggs, like the sushi. It's even crispier than a tortilla chip. Oh, it's good.
How are you feeling right now?
Like this. Ah, that's better.